Hello and welcome to Dave Take Finance. In today's video, we would be talking about top 4 sectors which you should consider in your investment portfolio. If you are making an investment, you need to know that it becomes important to know the industry to which the company belongs in which you are investing. So you may be investing through shares or mutual funds. You are investing in certain companies which belong to a particular industry. So in this video, we would be talking about the growth prominence of some industry in coming years. If you like the video, do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. You can find other playlist, other videos link in the description box. So let's move to the PPT now, where we would learn more about these 4 top sectors which should be considered for investing.
So let's start with top 4 sectors for investment. The first one, with no doubt, is healthcare industry. So the situation of COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 has made every government across the globe realize the importance of looking after healthcare industry. When there was suddenly a virus to deal with, we lost so many lives, businesses were shut down, economy went through recession, and it was becoming so difficult to reach out for vaccination to deal with the situation. Now this has shifted the focus and made government invest more in this particular industry. So whether we talk about the researches being going on, medicines being looking after, vaccinations, biotechnologies, robotics coming into picture, virtual care and remote medicines, along with environmental health, everything is nowadays in focus to tackle the situation and to be ready to deal with any such situation in future. So if you want to invest this industry, you should particularly consider, because for coming few years it would be in focus and lot more schemes would be launched, a lot more initiatives would be taken by the government, and there would be huge investment in this particular sector. So obviously this is the first recommendation. If you want to invest in your investment portfolio, you should have companies belonging to healthcare industry. It may be pharma sector, it may be hospitals, anything, but the shares related to this particular industry. So for example, if you are in India, the listed shares could be Apollo Hospital, it could be Cipla, it could be Sun Pharma, any such shares belonging to this industry you can consider for your investment. But again, one thing I would like to mention, that this comes under fundamental analysis. When you are going to invest, you need to go through an approach. First of all, you need to analyze the market. Right now, the market is going bullish, which means the prices are quite high. And even if you go to the market, do you want to purchase any product at high price? Obviously not. So in terms of investment also, you would not want to purchase anything at high price. So you have to wait for the right situation, when again the exchanges, when the market would be little down and the prices will come down, then you have to make the investment. And for future, you need to be ready with the industry analysis, with the company's analysis. So for that purpose, you need to understand in which industries, in which companies you want to invest. But the right time is not now, because the prices are quite high and the market is going through a bullish run. So you need to keep that in mind. But whenever you are going to invest, you wait for the market to come down, and then in your portfolio you consider these industries, and for coming 3 to 5 years you will see a massive return in your portfolio. Okay, so the second one is technology industry. No doubt technology would see an improvement in coming years also. So everything that was happening either in healthcare sector or in delivery, in e-commerce, in education startups, a lot of technological involvement was there. So whether we talk about 5G technology, which is going to come in the picture in coming few years, because of this required speed of internet. Now everything is going to be online. Every company has to be tech friendly. For this reason, the 5G to 6G technology is being worked upon, and the whole scenario is being set up for this particular technology. Along with that, you can understand that most of the online education and e-learning platforms are now coming into picture. So educational system is changing. Everything is being digitalized. Along with that, we also see that in pharma sector, a lot of technology is being involved in terms of telehealth and telemedicine. Biotechnology is being worked upon. So you can find that everywhere technology is playing a lot of role. When we talk about contactless delivery in terms of e-commerce sector, it has been new normal. Along with that, you can see about the online meetings that are happening. Continued expansion of remote working and video conferencing has led to growth of apps and startups like Zoom, Hangouts, Google Meet, all these things. So technology is coming into picture in few years as well, and it is one sector which you should always consider in your investment portfolio, because there is a lot of changes being required in this industry, and it always keeps on developing with new technologies coming into picture. So when we talk about artificial intelligence, robotic process automation, quantum computing, which was also used during the COVID situation, cyber security has been very important these days, because with the growth of digitalization, with the growth of technicality, cyber security has again been in focus. So technology industry, companies belonging to this particular industry should always be a part of your investment portfolio. And in coming few years, again, we will see a lot of these being implemented. So you can expect massive returns in this particular sector. Few shares which I can give an example is like Infosys, Wipro. You can go for L&T, Infotech. So these are some of the examples of companies being listed in technology industry in our stock market in India. You can also analyze the company according to your choice. You can see which company is having more growth prominent. But for this video, we are talking about the industry. So first one was healthcare industry, which you should involve in your investment portfolio. Second is technology industry. And let's move to our third industry, which is none other than automobile industry. Now, automobile industry in past few years has given very bad performance, and now 2021 would be the year of its recovery. So India is expected to displace Japan as the third largest market in auto by 2021. Also, the major advancement would be in terms of electric vehicles. So a lot of initiatives is being taken in terms of electric vehicles. The government of India has shortlisted 11 cities for it. They are introducing electric vehicles in terms of public transport systems as well. So you see, it would be in focus for coming few years. And once the electric vehicles would be the new norm, it would come into the market. The shares related to this industry would give you massive returns. So you need to include automobile industry in your investment portfolio. Again, your investment pattern should be same. You need to purchase at low price. I am repeating this because right now the market is going bullish. So right now you don't have to buy these shares. You have to wait for the right time. When the market will come a little down and you will see the price coming at a stable phase or a little lower, then you need to consider to buy these stock belonging to these particular industries, and then you need to hold on to these stocks for coming 3 to 5 years to get that high returns which we are expecting from our portfolio. Now the fourth one is banking and financial industry. Now financial sector is backbone of any economy. So whenever the economy goes through recession or any such situation which was not expected, financial sector or banking sector helps in recovery of market. And thus whatever policies we see in terms of monetary policy, capital market investments, regulating the currency, deposits, loan, maintaining all these things depends on banking and financial industry. And thus investing in this particular industry always would help your portfolio to give you good returns even in the time of recession. When these banking and financial industries would be functioning, they would try to get you some returns out of that. So again, this one is one of the most important industry which you should consider in your investment portfolio. So for today, we talked about top 4 industries which you should consider in your investment portfolio. healthcare, technology, automobiles, and banking industry. You can choose the companies belonging to these industries. You can analyze the companies with their growth prominence, and then you can make the investment decision when the prices would be stable, when the prices would be low. That way you can earn high returns in coming few years. So this was all for this video. If you liked the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have recently launched our membership program, so you can click on the join button near the subscribe button to get exclusive benefits and perks related. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.